Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this yellow and teal green makeup look. And to start out this look, I'm going to be using tape to tape off the edges for a clean look. And then I'll be using the LA Colors Pro Concealer in the shade White to prime my lids. Next, I'm using the Morphe Picasso Palette, and I'm going to be using the teal blue shade. Next, I'll be using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette for the green shade. We're going to be putting this in the outer corners going into the teal color. Next, to cut the crease, we're going to be using the Millani Concealer. Making sure to top this with a translucent powder. Next, using the same Zulu palette, I'm going to be using this bright yellow shade. Keeping the color saturated at the middle of the eye and blending it in with the previous green color. Next, using the MAC Prep and Prime spray, I'm going to be spraying a brush, and then using that brush to pick up the gold color in the Juvia's Place Warrior palette, and I'm going to be putting this in the inner corners of the eyes. Now I will be removing the tape and cleaning up any excess eyeshadow. Underneath the eye, I'm using the same green color and gold color that we used previously. For the lashes, we're going to be using the Neutrogena Healthy Lengths Mascara, and then topping that with false lashes later on. Using a light brown contour shade, I will be contouring my forehead, cheeks, and nose area. For the blush, we're going to be using a Covergirl Blush Bronzer combo. And I'm going to be using the Juvia's Warrior palette for the highlighter shade as well. And here for the lips, I'm using a tannish pink NYX liquid lipstick shade. And I topped my lashes with these false lashes. And this completes this teal and yellow makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.